Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your META Ray-Ban glasses. To do it, go to the settings. You can see there are two gear icons in the app. Select the one that is lower and now go to General and then Factory Reset. Now click on Next and it'll tell you how to do it. Let's fold the arms glasses closed and then press the capture button 5 times. You should see the LED turn solid orange. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's solid orange. Once the LED has turned orange, press and hold the button for 5 seconds and release when the LED starts pulsing. You can see it's pulsing, I think, or doing some. Yeah, it's pulsing right now. And they will begin resetting and boot back up, which could take 30 seconds. Once booted, the glasses automatically enter discovery mode again. And I hope that this video was helpful. Now you can just unpair your glasses and it's done. See you in the next one.